Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And look what just arrived today, all the way from Slovenia. Akrapovic. As I mentioned in previous videos, I was actually going to go with the HP Corsa. However, we've been having some issues with HP Corsa, developing it, producing it, and shipping it out and stuff. So, been waiting since May. And there was yet another delay, so I said, you know what, forget it. I'm not even going to bother. Although I love their exhausts, handmade, all that kind of stuff. Guess what? Akrapovic is also absolutely amazing. So ended up ordering the black one, and it arrived today. And I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So obviously it's just some warranty stuff or whatever. So let's kind of get this out of the box and see what we got here. All right, so styrofoam packaging. We got installation instructions. A trained monkey could install one of these, so I don't think we're going to need the instructions. That's a pretty thick booklet. That's actually pretty. Oh, it's an actual book. Different languages and stuff. Whatever. So let's cut this open and see what it is. It says not to use a box cutter, but guess what? I'm using a box cutter. Just be careful with it. All right, so let's see. Oh, all right. Here we go. So with the Akrapovic exhausts, even if they're the aftermarket ones, they're all Euro 5 homologated. So there is no way, I don't believe, to remove the baffle. But we'll take a look at it anyways. Oh my God, this thing is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, and it's super light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this exhaust. I'm going to remove the current one, the double barrel Akrapovic that comes stock with the bike. And I'm going to weigh it, and then I'm going to weigh this, and I'm going to show you guys the weight difference. Then we're going to do some sound checks. You'll see, as you've seen in my other videos, I have the Healtech Servo Eliminator. So the pipe is actually open, or the butterfly, the flapper. So we'll start to see how both of these sound. So can't wait to put it on. So stay tuned. All right, so let's weigh the stock double barrel Akrapovic. Let's see what it shows. It's telling me it is 6 pounds, 13 ounces, 14 ounces. So let's just say almost 7 pounds with the DB killer removed on this exhaust. And then let's weigh the black one. All right, here's the black one. 4 pounds, 10 ounces on the dot. So we're talking about dropping maybe 3 pounds. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. She's a beautiful piece. Yep, so there you have it. 6 pounds, 13 ounces, almost 7 pounds for the double barrel, and 4 pounds, 10 ounces for the aftermarket black Akrapovic. All right, before I turn her on and install the black Akrapovic, just wanted to show you how the flapper's open right here. Right, you see that butterfly? So if we start the bike, it ain't gonna move because it's been locked and open by the Healtech Servo Eliminator. So let's start her up and see what you see. So let's start her up just to get a sound check between the stock double barrel Akrapovic versus the aftermarket Akrapovic in black. So a couple of caveats. This one, as you guys remember from my previous videos, I removed the DB killer. I drilled it out
So there is no DB killer, no baffle in this exhaust, and I also have the Healtech Eliminator installed under here. So the servo, which is right in here, is the butterfly or the flap is open. So just be aware of that, right? We are comparing a stock double barrel BMW Akrapovic without a baffle, without a DB killer, and the Healtech Servo Eliminator to the black Akrapovic aftermarket version with also the Healtech Eliminator installed. So that is going to be the sound difference in this. On the decel, there's a little pop, a little decel burble. She sounds really good. So there you have it. Well, thanks again for subscribing to the channel, guys, and hit those like buttons. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And stay tuned for more Farkles.